disc brake runout gauge with dial indicator. Before I pull this wheel off, I already know this disc is bent. We're going to see how much it's bent. This is a brand new kit I just got. My other one, rotor runout gauge, I used to just call it ball joint checkers. Oh yeah. Looks like we got about 40,000 spend in there. Yeah, about 40,000 is what it is. Now, if you wanted to check in play, you just set it the same way, except you'd set it closer in on here and just pull on the wheel, see if you got any movement. Checking spokes on the rim, you're going to go right out here to the edge of the rim and check it. So really, if you want to check this rim, like this is a used rim that somebody gave us because they didn't use them on some project they had, so we got a rear and a front rim. That's how you're going to check runout on the rotor or in play or whatever you're checking. Like we needed it, you can tell that thing's bent, you can feel it. Because the brakes get hard and then they get soft again, or you're trying to press it. Every time the rotor moves, it pushes the pistons back in, and then it feels like you ain't got no lever. It pulsates really well. It's going to pulsate really bad at 40 thousandths.